Hello, I'm Aaviral Agarwal from the BCA batch of Bennett University. I live in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and I did my schooling from City University School, Lucknow. So I want to share something. I always wanted to have an astronomy club in my school. I'm an astronomy guy, but unfortunately, I could not. But when I came to Bennett University, I got to know that wow, there's an astronomy club. I quickly filled in the application core team form. I got into the core team, and then we did amazing series of events all around the year. People from different university participated. We got enraged. We got speaker series from the people coming from outside the college coming and speaking. So all that was super amazing. Apart from that, the Bennett University have a healthy environment. People are super enriching, super motivating, and you always seem to learn something or the other in the college. So in my last 1 year, I got to be in the CNN news giving a talk and sharing a panel. Also, I was able to make an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. I got published in two newspapers. I was able to participate in an Amity University's Technisha. I won three first prizes in the main event. And also, Nasi Munji's event I won. And like so many series of things, I was able to participate in a case study from a college, from a university in Egypt, Cairo. So Bennett University gave me such an exposure, such an learning, mentors, friends are always there to help you, help us, and yeah, that's super nice.